In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily change the voice in Google Translate. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to open up Translate app. Now, we need to double right here at our profile picture and then tap at Settings. Here we are looking for this voice section. And let's start with the speech region. We can enter speech region, and that's where we can select our speech region. We can select any option from here. Let's say I'm gonna choose Now English. By default, that option is selected, which is kind of a different preset for English dialect. However, we can choose a different one. We can choose, let's say, English Canada, or English India, or maybe English and New Zealand, or whatever. We can choose any speech region from this list we prefer to use. After that, if we go back here to settings down below, we can also control the pronunciation speed. The default option here is normal. However, we can easily switch it to slow or slower. That's how it can be easily done. And if this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button